Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I think everyone knows about the most famous Italian dessert, the tiramisu. But today with you we will do a new and special recipe of this dessert. For you a very crunchy and tasty wafer tiramisu. It's very easy to make and trust me, everyone will enjoy it. So separate the egg whites from the yolks and first beat the egg whites with the sugar until they are as soft as a cloud. In another bowl, beat the yolks with the remaining sugar until they become clear. Add then the mascarpone cheese and mix well for a minute. Whip the fresh cream in a bowl. The cream should be very cold, just taken out of the fridge. This way you will have less trouble whipping it. Combine now the mascarpone cream with the fresh cream, stirring from bottom to top as not to dismantle it. Put the cream into a pastry bag. If you had long wafers, cut them with a knife into squares of about 2 centimeters of side. Start composing the tiramisu. Spread a layer of the cream on the bottom of the glass. Put some wafers on it. Add the cream of mascarpone, sprinkle it with cocoa powder, place more wafers on it and complete with another layer of cream. Continue in this way and fold the glass. Decorate with the dusting of cocoa powder and wafers. When you have finished all your servicing, leave the tiramisu in the fridge for a couple of hours. The result: an amazing and super tasty tiramisu with super crunchy wafers. A dessert that everyone will enjoy. If you like this recipe, leave a like, share your impressions, leave comments and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed, so as not to miss the next videos. Enjoy your meal and buon appetito! See you soon!